treat her right. Okay? Yeah. This PP thing, listen, this PP thing is not something you should joke with. Okay? So treat her right. Make sure anytime you wake up, you call her, you check up on her, ask her how her sleep was. Why you don't know what to do for you?
Same to you, brother.
Hey, and your bread. Hey.
I do for my woman.
Okay, so
I've been doing it for her. She knows that.
You buy food for her.
Everything. I make her feel good. Like emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. Yeah.
So it doesn't sit well with you, eh?
Yeah, I want to ask a few questions.
I wanted to ask, what's up right now in this afternoon mood?
Right now, I'm marrying my top and downs and I'm waiting for the doing. It's set for me to.
Jojo. What is right now at the back of the food? You are cleaning your nose. It is your lip gloss. Lipstick is not a lip balm. You don't need anything like this.
Comedian worries, no.
Whatever the boys, what?
We did a band.
I'm in Germany right now. Guys, I'm in Germany. I forgot to tell you guys.
Choco boys, what's up?
I'm in Germany right now.
Choco boys, what's up?
I'm in Germany.
Germany. Lisa, why are you now? MFA. Why are you?
Miss Ify, thank you. Miss Annie. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You don't need any food.
No, we are not sharing.
Put the damn food down.
We are not sharing.
You don't want any food. You will not share anything.
Settles.
You don't need any food. You don't need.
Guys, let's go.
Abba, you like food.
You guys, no.
Abba, you like food. Too much. You are holding food right now. Food and toilet roll. Just if you finish, you go and pour. If you finish, I'm vlogging.
We just want to take in the air in Cologne and
Guys, this is mine. These are mine. They are like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What's it?
You went by road? Yes. No, German, no.
No. We didn't go by road. By
helicopter.
Yeah. By wind. Yeah.
We went by red.
By wind. No. I mean, I say you go share. We all go share this. I mean, they say for the one. Wait. They say for the one. I finish chop like the girls and come.
They can't chop.
Yeah. I go chop like the girls and finish and come here. If you want follow.
Moku follow, bro. Moku follow. Moku. The chef race and the chef rap. What are you guys doing here by this time of the day? Looking for plates. What about you, lady?
I'm trying to set the accessories.
She's trying to asset the accessories. She's an asset, guys.